Hello friends, subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. Thank you. Get ready for dictation. Start. This petition has been filed by the petitioner challenging the order passed by the Board of Governors whereby extension was granted to respondent number 6 to continue as Vice Chancellor of the Punjab Technical University. Stop. Para. The important question involved in the present case is as to whether extension granted to respondent number 6 as Vice Chancellor of the University is as per section 10 of the Punjab Technical University Act 1996. Stop. Para. Case of the petitioner in brief is that the petitioner joined on deputation with the respondent-university on the post of Dean Anita 29/5/2014. Stop. I am approving this document Chandigarh after being selected by the selection committee on 22/9/2006. Stop. The Board of Governors constituted a search committee in the year 2008 to fill up the post of Vice Chancellor. Stop. Respondent number 6 was chosen to occupy the office of Vice Chancellor. Stop. On 9/12/2009, selection committee was constituted for filling up various posts in the university including the post of dean. Stop. 14 candidates were interviewed by the selection committee and the petitioner was placed at serial number 1. Stop. The recommendation of the selection committee was approved by the Board of Governors in its meeting held on 11/2/2010. Stop. The University Grants Commission issued guidelines for appointment of Vice Chancellor. Stop. Petitioner was fully eligible to be considered for the said post. Stop. As per the Act, Chairman of the Board of Governors was to be appointed by the Chancellor. Stop. The Chancellor, in utter disregard to the provisions of the Act, nominated the Chief Secretary of the State to be the Chairman of the Board of Governors. Stop. The term of respondent number 6 was extended for another 3 years in a meeting without considering his eligibility. Stop. Respondent number 6 was not having requisite qualifications as prescribed by the UGC-wide regulations notified on 30/6/2010. Stop. Petitioner filed CWP number 577 of 2013 before this court on 11/1/2013. Stop. The said petition was disposed of by passing following order. Para. We have heard learned counsel for the parties at length. Stop. Para. It is agreed that the petition may be disposed of with Anita following directions. Para. Bracket 1. The question of extension of respondent number 5 Vice Chancellor by the Board of Governors on 5/10/2011 would be re-examined by the new Board of Governors. Stop. The examination of the aforesaid issue would be as per the norms applicable to the post of Vice Chancellor on the date when the extension was granted. Stop. Para. Bracket 2. The decision will be taken within a maximum period of 6 weeks from today. Stop. Thereafter, petitioner responded to the Chairman of the Board of Governors on 17/7/2013. Stop. On 19/8/2013, it was announced by the University that extension granted to respondent number 6 had been upheld. Stop. Hence, the present petition. Stop. Para. Learned Senior Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that no extension could be granted to respondent number 6 under the Act without complying with the requisite conditions. Stop. In the present case, at the time of granting extension to respondent number 6, no advice had been sought from the state government nor any search committee had been nominated in terms of Section 10 staff.